In this video, we'll be taking a look at expense reports in Veryfi. Expense reports allow employees to get their work-related expenses approved and reimbursed. Before we create our first expense report, let's take a look at a profile setting that helps distinguish reimbursable from non-reimbursable expenses. Open your profile settings, then scroll down to this Track Reimbursable setting. If all of the expenses you collect in Veryfi are reimbursable, you can choose to leave this setting turned off. If, on the other hand, you collect both reimbursable as well as non-reimbursable expenses, you should enable this setting. If this setting is enabled, you will see this reimbursable switch on all of your expense documents. You can also mark your expenses as reimbursable in bulk by checking the appropriate documents and choosing this reimbursable bulk action. With that in mind, let's now create an expense report. Go to the Reports page, scroll down to Other Reports, then click on the View button in this Expense Report section. Create a new report by clicking this Create a Report button. As with all reports in Veryfi, start by choosing the date range you want to cover in this report. This Filter By option allows you to choose whether your selected date range should apply to the date your expenses were incurred or the date on which the expenses were added into Veryfi. If you'd like to filter your expenses further, open this Extra Fields section and you'll be able to filter by things like categories, payment types, tags, and so on. If you enabled the Track Reimbursable setting in your profile settings, you will have this Reimbursables Only filter enabled by default. So make sure you've marked all your reimbursable expenses as reimbursable before running any expense reports. Once you're happy with your filters, scroll down to the next step where you will choose the specific expenses to include in the report. The documents in this section include all expenses matching the filters you set above, but in my case, you will notice that some documents are grayed out and don't have a checkbox next to them. By placing my mouse pointer over this info icon, I can see that the document has already been included in a Not Submitted report. This means that I have already created an expense report but haven't yet submitted it for approval. To prevent me from submitting the same expense multiple times in multiple expense reports by mistake, Veryfi will stop me from adding any documents that exist in any reports that have yet to be submitted or that have already been approved. If you've created an expense report and noticed a problem with that report before submitting it, you can simply delete the report and the documents that were included in it will again be available to be added to your new report. Once you've selected all the relevant expense documents, customize your report with the file format, grouping, and the columns that should be included in the report, and finally click the Create Report button. Depending on the number of expenses, your report should be ready within a couple minutes. Click this file icon to download and review the report. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click this Submit for Approval button. Once submitted, you will see your report with the Awaiting Approval status. Your company admins will be notified by email that you've submitted an expense report for review. Once an admin reviews your report, you will be notified via email about whether they rejected or approved your expenses. If your expense report is rejected, you will be able to see who rejected it and their reason. Once a reimbursement has been paid for an approved report, your report will appear with a paid status. You will receive an email notification at this point as well. As your expense reports move through the approval and reimbursement process, the related document's reimbursement status will also be updated. If you don't see this column, you can enable it here. Once a report has been approved and/or marked as paid, the related documents will no longer be editable. If you're a company admin, you will be notified by email whenever you receive an expense report for review. You will also see the current month's reports, which are awaiting your action, on your dashboard and also in this notifications section here. If the expense report notifications don't appear for you, make sure you enable them by going to your profile settings. You can use this settings button as a shortcut. To view the expense reports your team has submitted, open the reports page, scroll down to Other Reports, and click the View button in the expense report section. To download and review a report, click the file icon in the download column. Once reviewed, you can either reject or approve the report. When rejecting an expense report, you will need to provide a reason to the team member who submitted it. If you'd like to mark a report as paid, first approve it, and then once the reimbursement has been made, mark the report as paid. The team member who submitted the report will be notified by email when the report is rejected, approved, or marked as paid. That covers expense reporting in Veryfi. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, reach out to us at support@veryfi.com.